What is your first impression of the hPod?
I find this very useful. This gives you a one quick snapshot of your entire health and situation, which I feel is absolutely right in the current scenario. Good experience, it's good user-friendly equipment. All you need to do is follow the instructions, which is not very difficult to follow. Ultimately, yes, you get your results quickly. That's what matters.
Yeah, it is very useful. I have tried a few times. It's very helpful for especially the elderly and for the middle-aged like us. And it's always available 24/7.
First, when I heard about it, for me, it was very new. When I used it, it was really good. It's a boon.
Have you used the Tele Consultation feature in the hPod?
Well, I did not consult the doctors because my results were fortunately pretty much okay. But yes, I think that feature or that functionality of getting connected to a doctor is really important, where you can get a good professional advice.
Yes, I consulted Dr. Pooja and she gave me a few little diet for it. And it was quite apt and quite fast.
No, the reports were pretty good and definitely I will like to avail this facility.
Would you recommend hPod to your associates?
I did speak to two of my known societies, and also I've spoken this about in my corporate office. Let us see how things unfold. I've given them my recommendation. Now it's upon them and your team to kind of go ahead and strike the deal and see how it works out.
What support staff says about hPod?
जैसे कि सर लास्ट 6 मंथ हो गए लगाया गया है यहाँ पर, तो हमारे जो सिक्योरिटी स्ट्रेंथ है, हम लोग 40 मेंबर्स हैं यहाँ पर, सिक्योरिटी 40, हम सभी लोगों ने सर इसका यूज़ किए हैं, सभी को फ़ायदा ही हुआ है सर। जैसे कि हम लोग अभी हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं तो वो जाना बंद हो गया है सर, क्योंकि हमारे कंपनी में जो हमारे को रिपोर्ट पूछते हैं तो हम यहाँ से ही सबमिट करते थे सर। तो ओवरऑल सभी को फ़ायदा हुआ है।